A stunning, sleek option for an aluminum railing, the Westbury Tuscany system offers timeless elegance as well as the opportunity to completely customize your railing as you see fit. Creating the ideal railing for your home is as easy as these 3 steps. Westbury Tuscany offers posts in 2x2, 3x3, and 4x4 inch dimensions, allowing you to choose either a slim or substantial look for your deck. DecksDirect makes ordering a complete post simple with Westbury 3-piece kits that bundle a post with a matching post cap and post skirt. If you're installing on a staircase, use a taller post to allow for the stair panel to rack to the correct angle. These posts will be fastened to the surface and subsurface of your deck with 4 screws through the welded base plate. Westbury Tuscany level railing kits come in 5, 6, 7, and 8 foot lengths, while the stair rail kits are available in 6 foot and 8 foot lengths. In these kits, you'll receive an entire section including color matching mounting brackets and hardware. Rails may be trimmed or divided as necessary, but simply remember to order additional sets of mounting brackets as needed. Westbury offers 5 different bracket types to allow for any deck design. At DecksDirect, we're happy to help you determine which bracket is going to be right for you. From a classic flat top post cap, an ornamental LED lighted post cap, or even crossover brackets for a continuous top rail, there's an abundance of possibilities with Westbury. Dress up your deck even more with a drink rail, side lights, or gates. The entire Westbury Tuscany railing system is ready for you right here at DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Mike and I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. If you have any questions or comments, call us at 888-824-5316 or you can visit us at DecksDirect.com. And if you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear from you.